Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will solve the problem no sound after installing Realtek audio drivers in Windows 10. First, press Win+X and select Device Manager from the menu. When the window opens, expand the section Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Now look for Realtek Audio in the list. Once you find it, right-click on Realtek Audio and select Uninstall Device. A small box will appear. Make sure you check the option Attempt to remove the driver software for this device. After that, click on Uninstall. Once the uninstall process completes, restart your PC. When the system reboots, Windows will automatically detect the missing driver and reinstall the required Realtek audio driver on its own. After the restart, again right-click on the Windows icon and open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers one more time. Right-click on Realtek Audio and select Properties. Now go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. If Windows shows a message saying the best drivers are already installed, simply close the window. Next, click on the search bar and type Sound. Now open Manage Sound Devices. Under the Output section you will see your audio device. Click on it, disable it once, and then enable it again. This refreshes the audio system and fixes most sound issues after installing drivers. After doing this, your audio should start working normally again. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.